everyone, Kara here. I thought it would be fun to talk a little bit about side dishes for the holidays. I usually think everybody has the turkey covered, and for sure they have the desserts. But how about taking two of your absolute favorite sides and putting them together? How about a stuffing and mashed potato cupcake? Right? I know, amazing. And I did it really fun in my Texas muffin pan, which makes a cup. So you're gonna follow the recipe for exactly how to make that great stuffing. It is my mom's stuffing, as a matter of fact, her sausage stuffing. She has been known for this. It was actually my grandmother's recipe. She handed it down to my mother. She put her special touches on it. And then it's been handed down to me, and I, of course, have put my special touches on it. Neither my mother nor my grandmother made sausage and mashed potato stuffing cupcakes, but I love to. All right, so something super simple. So here is that stuffing recipe. I already made the stuffing, about 30 minutes, packed it down into this Texas muffin pan so that it makes cupcake size stuffing and individual portion size, which I absolutely love. So I'm not gonna be doing a very big Thanksgiving this year. So I love the fact that I can take two of my great sides and put them together in something fun and unique that I know my family will love. So there's my stuffing in my cupcake. Let's go ahead and put a big dollop of our mashed potatoes on top of there. Mashed potatoes are one of my absolute staples. I think everything is better with potatoes. Now you have, of course, your stuffing potato cupcake combo. I mean, I don't mean to brag or anything, but is that gorgeous or what? And absolutely delicious. Now, if you wanted to, you could, of course, go ahead and garnish it with some of your chives. You could layer over some of the gravy if you wanted to. Something super simple. And the recipe was easy. I come from generations of cooks and chefs who absolutely love great food, but really just want it to be simple. So this was just that. The other thing you can do is just continue maybe serving right out of here and continue putting a dollop of those mashed potatoes. I did 6 here. You could actually make it in a regular cupcake if you wanted to. You could make it in a little mini cupcake if you wanted to. There's so many different things and ways that you can do this, but at the heart of it, it's a great stuffing recipe, a nice, hearty, delicious tradition that you now can create with your family, and it's pretty, and it's unique, and it's different. So like I mentioned, you can serve it this way and bring it right to the table, or you can go ahead and garnish everything, and everybody then can help themselves to a delicious sausage, stuffing, and mashed potato side dish cupcake, right? Something delicious. We got the turkey, we got the desserts, and now we have two delicious side dishes that have come together in one. Super easy, super delicious. Check out the recipe. As I mentioned, I made the stuffing ahead of time. I packed it into that great, I used, of course, a Texas muffin here. Packed it and baked it for about 30 minutes. Super easy. Made my mashed potatoes the way I always do, and then put them together and then garnish it the way that you want. So something unique, something different, something easy, and now hopefully a brand new tradition that you and your family will adopt. From my family to yours, happy Thanksgiving.